Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to explain about shaft opening and biface. For that I am going to make some model. Select the floor. Select rectangular option. Here I just make one model, then give finish. Go to 3D view. Before that we need to create multiple levels. LL for that shortcut. Pick a plane that is offset in 10 feet. So 4 level is there for me, enough for that. Select. See, here we have copy option and one more is paste. Align to selected levels, that is in level 2 and level 3. Then give OK. After that go to stairs. I just make here stairs for that example. Components, straight stair from here to here and from here to here. Then give finish. After that select the shaft opening. You just check it once. Go to 3D view. Is it in only one floor in the staircase? If you need second floor and third floor also, means just select the stairs, go here, copy to clipboard and go to paste, align to selected levels. For that also I need level 2 and level 3. Then apply. See, it will be created. Else one up to level 2 is enough for me. Just select and delete. And then go to level 1. Select the shaft. Here make your openings. Where you need up to there you can make. For example, I need from here to here and from here and connect this. See, here it is not allowed to the overlap and unjoining. After draw finished, go to 3D view. Here then you can give finish. See, here up to, we don't want ground level opening, so that's what I just drag up. We need terrace opening, so just drag up. See, it is opened up. Right, I'll show you in realistic view. See, it is opened. And biface means, for example, go to 4th level or else 3rd level. I'll select some roofs. Roof by soffit, rectangular, that is I need in 4th level. I draw it here, then give finish. Go to 3D view. I select this shaft, I drag up to the roof. See, it is not opened because the roof surface will not accept the shaft opening. For that we need to use biface. Biface, select the face, go to the top view. Here I am going to select the wireframe option, then go to top view. Select the line from here to here. Then give finish. Check it once. Go to 3D view. See, here it's opened. Wait, I'll show you in realistic view. It is opened. So by shaft means it is worked on floor. Biface means it is working on roof. I think now you got it. What is my biface and shaft opening? Already we done the dormer opening. In that have any doubts means you just check it my previous video. That's it. Thank you for watching this session. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updated notifications.